Hi there, this is Robert Simon again from Wallboard, and in this short video I would like to show you how our desktop broadcaster application works. The desktop broadcaster application is similar to a digital signage communication, but in this case we are using the desktop computer of a larger organization, a company. In this case we are demonstrating it that this computer is the desktop computer of a branch office agent in a bank branch. So he or she is sitting in front of the computer and working on some internal application. In this case the agent is just writing a document in Word. The system is integrated with a customer calling system. And when we receive a notification from the customer calling system that a new customer has arrived to the branch office, then we want to send this notification to the agent desktop and, let's say, modify it. So on this computer I will show you how to modify, how to edit a content, and I will use my mobile phone to call a customer. I'm just pressing a button on my computer, and that sends a signal to our server, and our server sends a notification to the agent's desktop. And you can see that we already reorganized the screen of the screen. It is also set in the content designer. So we docked a panel here on the left side that a new customer arrived, who is the name of the customer, etc. And that customer comes to the desk of the agent. When the customer sits down, the agent can use this application. This is a web-based application, so you can modify it as you wish. Can call another customer, can end the session, you can see the name, can start third-party applications like a browser, can, and you can have as many as you wish. These are different tabs. Or, for example, if it is integrated, the agent can also implement or use a web chat application and talk to a backend chat bot about what are the actual exchange rates or whatever. I just go back to the original page. So all these informations are actual information updated, and as they are changing, it is delivered to the desk of the agent. You can see that in this case there is nothing that can overlap this part of the screen, because it is in this case the application is running in a docked mode. But if I click on this icon, and these icons and all the functionalities can be set in the content editor, I can make it just an overlay page. So here you can see that I can hide it. Of course, I can bring it back to the top, and it is not disturbing my work anymore. If I just open this application once again and close it, then it also has a state when it is minimized and it can be hidden. So if I just click on the XX or the ... section, I can call another customer, and of course when I press the button, it docks the application to the left side, etc. If I go back to the home page and I click on the telephone icon, because I'm talking to a customer and I need to initiate a call, I can immediately change the look of the application. So this is a flying mode where I can use a third-party thin client application to initiate a call, to finish the call, to mute the call, and when it is finished I can click on it and it docks back to the left side, and I can continue my work and I can go back to my Word document. Here on the content editor you can see that I have a main page, I have this minimized page, which is just this corner, red dot section. I have the docked content, and I also have another page that is this flying window that I showed. When a page is loaded in the content editor, you can set up page change events, and you can see that the content inside defines how the application on the agent's desktop will behave, if it needs to be always on top, can it be minimized, exit, etc., if the application icon is shown on the taskbar of the agent, where is it docking, etc. So if it is not a branch office of a bank, but if it is used in a call center, the call center representative or agent in the call center can use this application for displaying statistical information to show how many people are in the queue waiting, what is the number of the abandoned calls, etc. If it is just the HR department of a larger organization, they don't see this application, 7 hours a day, but when it is needed, it can pop up and it can push a direct notification to the desktop of the agent. So, of course, yes, you can communicate with several different types of applications to your colleagues. You can use emails, but it is always up to the fact that how often and when they read the email. You can use some collaboration tool like Microsoft Teams, but it is always up to the fact that when the colleagues are opening the Teams client application, when the computer is switched on and this application is installed by the central IT, it is always running in the background. It is always listening to the Wallboard server, and it will always come up on the desk of the colleague as soon as the server, and of course in this way the content designer tells to the application that come up on the left side, on the top. It can be of course a full screen notification. You can send out a questionnaire if you want to everyone, and they cannot close the window as long as they are not pressing a button, or if they are not filling all the questions in the questionnaire. So once again, I am just calling a new customer, pressing this button on my mobile. So here you can see that the pop-up come up. It reorganized my desktop when it is needed. I can initiate a chat. I can call another customer. I can end the session, and when it is finished, I can just hide it away like this one, or I can close this bar, and I can jump back to my work and continue editing this Word document. So this is what I wanted to show you quickly. This is Wallboard's desktop application that you can use, the desktop broadcaster application that you can use. And if you need any more information, just please connect us, and we will provide you more detailed information. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.